we will create a block, a simple block, just a simple. Command rectangle REC, enter, pick one, and here, pick here, and then we will make a circle here. Now, this circle we will move here in the center of the rectangle. What to do is we will command M, command move. Select the object, enter, pick the center of this circle. As you can see, it will be magneted. Click here in the center. Now, how can we put this circle in the center of the rectangle? Just simple of that. Press Ctrl and then right click. As you can see, this mid between 2 points. Choose this one. We will choose this, the bottom left, and the end point. Click, and the upper right of this line. Click. Automatically go direct to the center of the rectangle. Now we will create this as a one block. B for command block, enter. We will make this name as you like, block 1 or something like that, or sample. Let's say sample 01, and then select the object, enter. Okay, delete it, X, and then we will close this, close block editor. As now we will create a simple block, and the name our block here from the reference, name it sample 1, as we mentioned before. Okay guys, thank you for watching.